In a world full of volatility, one coin promised peace. No pumps, no dumps, just stability. But the truth was never that simple. USDT, the stablecoin that's anything but stable. It all started in 2014. Bitcoin was wild. Altcoins were chaos. Traders needed a safe zone. So a company said, what if one coin equals $1? It sounded simple. Too simple. USDT claimed to be backed 1:1 with real dollars. But when asked to show the money, they said, trust us, bro. Real dollars. Or maybe commercial paper. Or maybe vibes. Despite the rumors, USDT didn't shrink. It grew. Massive. Unstoppable. At one point, it was half of all crypto trading. People didn't trust Tether. They trusted that others would trust it first. Then came the heat. Regulators sniffed. Journalists asked. The company got fined, but kept printing. Transparency? Never heard of her. In 2022, Terra collapsed. The whole market panicked. And USDT slipped off its $1 peg. Stablecoin, but emotionally unstable. USDT taught us something strange. That in crypto, trust sometimes matters more than truth. That if enough people believe it's worth $1, it is. Crypto's most stable coin, built on the least stable thing, belief. USDT survived lawsuits, crashes, depegs. Is it shady? Maybe. But it works. Until it doesn't. Not backed by dollars. Backed by chaos. USDT, the coin that always says it's fine. Subscribe for more absurd but true crypto tales.